Hey everyone, happy Sunday. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this rose golden eye makeup look. And the first thing I'm gonna do, like always, is prime my eyelids, and I'm using the NYX Cosmetics paint pot in the color Soft Ochre. And to apply this, I'm taking the Huda Beauty P84 brush, which is my favorite brush to apply this primer. So I'm applying the primer all over my eyelid, and this is gonna leave me with a clean base for my eyeshadow. And the palette I'm gonna use is the Mercury Retrograde palette from Huda Beauty, which is this beautiful palette. I used this palette before, and I will make sure to link that video in the description bar in case you want to check it out. So I'm gonna start with this light color and just applying it all over the eyelid to make sure that my primer is set in place. And then next I'm gonna take this light color using a Sigma E40 brush, and I'm going to blend this from the inner corner to my outer corner and just blending this all the way in the crease area. So I'm starting with a little bit, and I'm just adding more and more of this eyeshadow, just slowly building it up. Also, I wanted to say a big thank you for all the love on my recent videos. My channel has been doing so well, and I just wanted to say thank you because I really appreciate it. If there are any specific makeup looks you want me to do for my channel, let me know in the comments. I actually want to do so many glam looks for the upcoming holidays. I have so many cool looks in my mind to create, so I cannot wait. So I'm gonna start with this next shade. I'm blending this in the outer V. I'm using a E25 brush from Sigma, and actually all the brushes I'm using are from my Sigma brush kit that I created together with them. Those are all my favorite brushes from them, and they're also like the perfect kit to create any flawless eye look basically. So yeah, check them out in the description bar. And I'm using my finger to apply this rose golden shade, which is such a beautiful color. It's really sparkly, and if you love a rose golden eyeshadow, I think you really like this one because it has a beautiful finish. So I'm just using my finger because I feel like using your finger with a particular shade like this just works best. And I went in with another layer to give it more pigmentation. And then now I'm taking a E75 brush from Sigma, which is the angled brow brush, but I personally love to use it for my eyeliner. And I'm using a Maybelline Studio Gel Eyeliner, and I'm actually only gonna create a simple line above the lash line today. But I have to say, if I could do this look over, I would have probably went for a winged liner. It actually has been a while since I just did a simple line above the lash line like this, but I just feel like something is missing around the outer V. I don't know, I just feel like something is missing. But if you recreate this makeup look, you can definitely go for a winged liner or skip the eyeliner. Like, it's not necessary to go in with eyeliner anyway, but I just wanted to do it. But yeah, you can give your own twist to it. Then now I'm going in back with this color, using a E15 flat definer brush from Sigma and applying this like straight underneath the lower lash line. This is my favorite brush for this particular step. Then after applying the eyeshadow, I'm actually going in with a tiny blending brush and just smudge everything out. I really wanted to have quite a blown out effect. And then I went in with this lash curler, which is by Tweezerman, or is it by Tweezerman? Or it's by House of Lashes, I'm not quite sure, but I'm using this to curl the lashes. And then I went in with some pencil in the waterline because I just realized that I forgot. I used one from Tilbury. I will make sure to put the color name in the description bar, together with all the other products I'm using today. Now I'm using a tiny smudge brush and using this light, kind of like iridescent color, and I'm using this for in the inner corner to kind of give it that pop of brightness, which I think just complements the makeup look. I always like to use a light shade in the inner corner, it just gives a really cool effect. Then I'm going in with this color, applying a little bit of that underneath the lower lash line as well. Not all the way like from the inner corner to the outer corner, just kind of like at the beginning part. And then I'm using this mascara from Tilbury, which is such an incredible mascara. I absolutely love it. I'm going in with fake lashes, and I'm using these lashes from my own lash brand. These are in the style Gently. I actually dropped some new lash styles on my website, so if you want to check it out, I have the link down in the description bar together with a discount code. So if you want to check out my fake lashes check out the website. I'm selling some dramatic ones, some more natural styles, and yeah, give them a go if you like. And this is the end of the video. I really hope you all enjoyed. I hope you like how this makeup look turned out. For my next video, I actually have a video where I show a day look and then I transform it into a night look. I cannot wait for you guys to see that video. And yeah, this is the end. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And one more time, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys!